Welcome. Take a moment to settle in and find a comfortable position. Allow your shoulders to soften. Allow your jaw to relax and take a slow, gentle breath in. And a slow breath out. As you gaze at the candle flame before you, imagine it as a light of peace, a light that asks nothing of you, a light that simply invites you to rest. Today, we are releasing energy that does not belong to us, the worries we have carried for others, the emotions we have absorbed, the expectations we have placed upon ourselves, and the weight we were never ever meant to hold. Take another slow breath in and release it. As I hold this amethyst, imagine a gentle violet light surrounding your mind, a calming energy washing over every thought, every worry, every racing idea. There is nothing to solve right now, nothing to fix, nothing to figure out. Only this moment. Allow the amethyst energy to quiet the noise, like ripples settling on a still lake. Now, I bring in the energy of this rose quartz, the stone of compassion, the stone of gentleness, the stone that reminds us that we deserve the same kindness we are so freely always giving to others. I'd like you to place your awareness on your heart and imagine a soft, pink, glowing light there. Warm, comforting, and safe. You do not need to earn rest. You do not need to earn peace. You do not need permission to care for yourself. Allow yourself to receive love, not from outside of you, but within. Now, we invite the grounding energy of the black tourmaline. Imagine roots growing from your body deep into the earth. Strong, stable, secure. Any heaviness that does not belong to you can now travel down through those roots. Released, returned, and transformed. You do not have to carry everyone's emotions. You do not have to carry everyone's problems. You do not have to carry everyone's energy. What is not yours may leave. Now, we welcome the cleansing light of selenite. Imagine a beautiful white light flowing down from above like moonlight, like pure peace. The light moves through your mind, your heart, your body, your energy, washing away any tension, washing away what no longer serves you. You are becoming lighter, clearer, and more peaceful. Now, we bring in calcite, a crystal associated with clarity, optimism, and renewed energy. Imagine a warm golden glow beginning to expand within you, a glow of possibility, a glow of fresh energy, a glow of hope. And whatever has felt stuck may begin to move. Whatever has felt heavy may begin to lighten. Whatever has felt cloudy may become clear. Trust that small shifts create powerful changes. As you focus on this candle flame, imagine placing everything you no longer need in to this flame, not to destroy, but transform it. Any stress, any fear, any worry, any heaviness, you are ready to release. And now, imagine the flame growing brighter, filling you with peace, balance, protection, and calm. Take a slow breath in and a slow breath out, and notice how you feel. Notice the space you have created within yourself. Notice the calm. And remember, you are not responsible for carrying the weight of the world. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to release. You are allowed to protect your energy. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. You may leave this meditation feeling lighter, more grounded, and more at peace. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a blessed day.